Hello everybody, and this is a quick little intro to a video I'm just putting together here from Wexford. I did a trip down there a couple of weeks ago, and most of it was all just coastline shots with the drone. I just fell in love with taking shots going along the beach for some reason, and especially when I found some of the hidden beaches. At the moment I'm down in Bride, and there's acorns falling from the tree in front of me here. But yeah, I'm down to see what colours are like down here at the moment, and hopefully I'll have some pictures or footage fairly soon. You can't put the drone up in here because it's pretty tight. But yeah, if you like the shots from Wexford, let me know, and if you want to know where they came from, just hit me up in the comments.